Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Are you up for the P.L.P challenge? This intense workout features pull-ups, lunges, and push-ups. Improve your strength, endurance, and stability with this full-body workout. We want to stress the neuromuscular system with minimal breaks. Before we go further, please help support Ataxia by checking out some merchandise. A portion of the proceeds will go to the National Ataxia Foundation. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired Ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. To perform a pull-up correctly, start by hanging from a pull-up bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Pull yourself up towards the bar, leading with your chest. Make sure to lower yourself back down with control to fully engage your muscles. If you're struggling with pull-ups, don't worry. Start by practicing with resistance bands, using a spotter for assistance, or like what I'm doing, using an assisted pull-up machine. Because of ataxia, I'm unable to do a pull-up unassisted. Remember to include both wide grip and narrow grip pull-ups to target different muscles in your back and arms. Keep pushing yourself and don't get discouraged. With dedication and practice, you'll get stronger at this exercise over time. With lunges, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands on your hips. Take a large step forward with one leg, keeping your chest up and your core engaged. Lower your body straight down until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle and your back knee is hovering above the ground or touching the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat the movement on the other leg. Remember to keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward. To add intensity, you can hold dumbbells or increase the depth of your lunge. Practice lunges consistently to strengthen your legs and improve your balance. Push-ups are a great way to build strength in your upper body. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start by doing as many push-ups as you can until failure. Ensure with every push-up go all the way down and hit your chest. Do not, and I repeat, do not do half push-ups. You are not doing any favors for yourself. If you can only accomplish one complete push-up, that is better than 10 incomplete push-ups. Quality is better than quantity. Remember to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engage your core, and I can't stress this enough, lower yourself until your chest touches. Incorporate these 3 exercises into your routine for a full body workout that will leave you feeling strong and accomplished. Remember to listen to your body and modify the exercises as needed. The purpose of adding the P.L.P exercises to your routine is to increase neuromuscular efficiency and add some extra volume to your weekly plan. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.